Last night, the Bitcoin price made another lower low after rejecting exactly from the short setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. But as we are looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, we are coming down to a major area of support. And when we look at the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing a very bullish signal that has not printed on the chart since June 14th, when we took this juicy swing long trade setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. As the price is getting lower into our key box of support on 4-hour market Cipher beat, we are seeing the momentum waves getting higher over time, as well as the money flow getting higher over time. We are seeing the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried mammary gland pattern, where as the price is coming down to key support on market Cipher beat, we are seeing SBF's man boobs and money flow getting higher over time. And if we zoom out, we can see the last time we saw this pattern was right over here, June 14th, when we put this low. We got 3 drives of bullish divergence on market Cipher B, as well as the money flow, very similar to what's happening right now. And as you can see, I have taken the long trade, the setup that we've been waiting for in the Casper Crew VIP Discord to come down to this exact level. But are we going to pump from here, or are we going to dump? The charts are looking a little bit scary. We're going to be going back in time, looking at what has happened during this entire uptrend and how Bitcoin has behaved, how we've gotten multiple fake outs, and what I'm personally looking for my next big trade. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that bell for notifications, and let me know what you're thinking down in the comments, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So in order to determine how we are going to trade this price action, we need to build some context. So what I've done here on the 4-hour time frame is I put a circle around every single time since November 2022 that we've seen the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man breast pattern for Bitcoin. Now there's another pattern that I want you to notice. Sometimes when we print the 4-hour market Cipher B Sam Bankman-Fried pattern, it does lead to a significant move to the upside. But other times when we print it, like we did back here in February, it actually ended up culminating in a lower low. And also over here in April, we did get a bounce, but then it culminated in a lower low. And when we also go back and take a look at the market structure in these past examples, we can see that locally we had switched from bullish to bearish market structure back here in April, where we were in an uptrend. We made a high, a low, a higher low, higher high. But then we actually came down and we made a lower low, taking out the previous higher low in the uptrend. And even though we had the 4-hour Sam Bankman-Fried pattern, it did lead to another drop to the downside, right? We are seeing the same exact thing happen right here. We've changed market structure. We have our low right down here. Then we have our high, our higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we've officially made a lower low. What does this mean? This means that it's more probable than not, just based on market structure, that we see another big move to the downside. And something else I want to point out is that, typically speaking, with Bitcoin, along this move to the upside, we have seen a very fast, dramatic fake out to the downside before the big pump, right? We saw that big time back here in March. We also saw that back over here in June 2023. And we also saw that right over here in November 2022, before the start of the uptrend. So as we are watching this chart play out, we need to understand 2 things. Number 1, market structure is bearish. Number 2, yes, we're printing a very bullish pattern on the chart, but this does not necessarily mean that the low is in. And number 3, we are right now coming down to a very, very, very important support resistance flip on the chart, which means unless we come down lower than another, it's not too much, another 2%, right? Another 2% move to the downside, we could still find very strong support here. And honestly, another big drop, another big 2% drop to the downside would be, in my opinion, something that could really shake out a lot of the weak hands. And as long as we don't lose these bullish divergences here on market Cipher B, it is actually probable that we might find support in this little zone, getting that last fake out before the big move to the upside. So what do I want to see right here? As long as we are still holding this green box, and this green box, why is this so important? It's coming in between $28,500 and about $29,000. We're currently trading in the box right now. The reason this box is so important is because if we go to the weekly time frame, we can very clearly see that this box has been a massive support resistance flip going all the way back to December 2020. And then it was our support in the summer of 2021. Support resistance flip, dead cat bounce right here in May 2022. We've officially broken out with a massive bullish candle, and we're coming back down now to retest. In addition, we also have the 20-week moving average coming in right around this area, and we can see that the 20-week moving average has been, for the past market cycle, that very key level where as long as we're trading below it, we are in still the bear market, and as long as we are trading above it, we are still in an uptrend. So we are coming down to a crucial zone of support right here. And so what I want to see is I'm going to be keeping my eyes on that 4-hour market Cipher B. If we come down lower and we start to see these momentum waves drop big time, right, and the money flow continuing to get lower, that's telling us we are not going to find a bounce here. But if we come down lower and we are seeing market Cipher B continuing to get bullish money flow, right, continuing to get the momentum waves coming to the upside, looking exactly like the chest of SBF, then we could say to ourselves, this could be a fake out, and we could look for another long position. Now, yes, I have taken the long position right here, the setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. I've hit a take profit 1. Stop loss is just below my entry to guarantee a win if we get stopped out. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, you can go to JaysonCasperTrading.com. This is not a signals group. This is an educational group. Every single day we do multiple live streams going through the live price action. We give our levels. We give our trade setups. It's a great community to learn, positive vibes. We've got a new member section and everything, lots of resources. You could click the link to join the Discord. Also, if you want to take advantage of the volatility of these markets, trading Bitcoin and altcoins, I highly recommend you check out my go-to exchange, MEXC, link in the pinned comment and description. 0% maker order fees, 0.01% market order fees, an amazing deal. Plus you get a $9,000 deposit bonus up to that if you sign up using my link. Also guys, ZOOMEX. I am currently trading on ZOOMEX, a centralized and decentralized exchange on the same platform. And this year we are going to be doing World Series of Trading. That's right. The Casper Crew is doing World Series of Trading over here on ZOOMEX. Link in the pinned comment to sign up to our squad. It's going to be a really fun time. We're shooting for somewhere in the top 20 this year. Last year we were in the top 20. Let's see what we can do this year. If you're a great trader, you could really help out the team. If you suck, it will not hurt the team because only the top 10 traders P&L is averaged together in order to give us our final score. Now, if we do not hold this box, let's say our long trades get stopped out after a TP1 and we keep on dumping, then we need to be aware that the Bitcoin chart is right now printing the Janet Yellen crooked lip pattern, where as the price is getting higher, Janet Yellen's lips are getting lower with these two strange red moles on top of her lips. We're seeing this right now on market Cipher B as the price is just struggling to eke out a slightly higher high, which means we do need to be prepared for a very significant pullback because we have not seen a weekly bearish divergence throughout this entire uptrend. And if we lose the box, I would not be surprised if we get a move all the way back down into the box around $20,000, where yes, we do have a major support resistance flip coming back down to this area. Now, in the macro, as far as holding Bitcoin, as far as me holding Bitcoin on spot, I would look at this as an opportunity because of where we are in the market cycle. But it would not surprise me if we come back down to retest this very important support resistance flip that we see right around here if we continue to dump, right? We had a very, very fast move up, bam, bam. We could get an equally fast move down, bam, bam. So these are things to keep in mind, guys, and these are my general ideas as I'm looking at these charts, as I am formulating my trades right here. That's it for today's video. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!